Are you looking to get that pool cleaned up without putting in any effort? Well, you found the right video. Today's episode of Good Tech Cheap, we have the AQUAFYSH ELF08 to be taking a look at. We're going to get it out of the box, clean up the pool, and let you guys know what we think. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you're new to the show, make sure you are subscribed where you're seeing this episode at. Today's episode is brought to you by AQUAFYSH. We have the ELF08 Pro to be taking a look at. All the links and details, of course, are located in the description, so make sure to check that out. First things first though, we're going to go get it out of the box and start cleaning up the pool. Has a breakdown on the top of the box. That is great. Telling us where everything is. So we'll have the charging port, garbage collector, the ceiling cap. That's cool. With a filter and some attachment pieces. We have some treads right here for the wheels. We have another attachment. This is the piece that goes on the end of our pool poles for retrieving the unit without getting in the pool. Then we have the AQUAFYSH unit itself in a bright yellow color. Looks really great. I like the way it stands out. Let's open up the unit. On the inside we have the charging cable. Then we have the filtration system. This is where the filter is. Okay. This looks like a twist. Will come off like that. This is where you will hook it up for charging. Looks like we got some lights, some LEDs right here. We'll see what them look like when we get it charged. Let's get it charged up and go clean up the pool. With the AQUAFYSH ELF08 Pro, the design ensures your pool floors are crystal clean and ensures the efficiency in absorbing dirt is 50% higher than similar pool products per milliamp. And with the powerful Hall motor, the AQUAFYSH ELF08 Pro can clean thoroughly, which saves labor and effort significantly. With the 2 large water outlets, 4 bottom brushes, and filter tray, the AQUAFYSH will clean leaves, debris, pet hair, and sand to keep your pool water clean as usual, while also being able to travel the bottom of your pool effortlessly at the speed of 39.37 feet per minute. And the large capacity 4400 milliamp battery ensures you will get your entire pool clean with up to 180 minutes runtime. And equipped with the 2 water suction nozzles, the AQUAFYSH ELF08 Pro pulls up all kinds of matter from debris, insects, small stones, leaving a clean space up to 5.5 inches wide during its pass, along with also having an intelligent planning of its cleaning route. Grabbing this data from the topography of the bottom of the pool, the unit usually picks the best determined path, giving you the full efficiency of a pool cleaning and being able to climb an acceptable slope of 20 degrees. With the AQUAFYSH ELF08 Pro, you will have no worries of it taking care of everything. You don't have to worry about connecting a power cable to deal with cord entanglements and the risk of a power short out. And when the AQUAFYSH is taken out of the water, it will start dewatering, which can also save you even more labor. The top load filter access is for easy and convenient debris removal and cleaning. You'll never have to touch debris again with the Easy Clean filter canister. As your pool cleaner travels back and forth on the bottom of your pool collecting dirt and debris, it's conveniently stored in the filter canister where it can readily be removed, which makes the AQUAFYSH ELF08 Pro ideal for above ground pools, in-ground pools of a flat bottom, even suitable for all lining, PVC, tiles, vinyl, or granite, and shapes from round, rectangle, or oval pools. And not to mention with this PU tires, you don't have to worry about it damaging the bottom of your pool. But AQUAFYSH, you have come through with an amazing robotic pool cleaner. We definitely enjoy the ELF08 Pro. It's done an excellent job keeping the pool clean. And if any of you guys want to take a look at it for yourself, we have all the links and details located in the description, so make sure to check that out. Along with me really enjoying the extra run time with this vacuum. It definitely lasts longer than other units we have tried, and that definitely makes cleaning the pool so much better. But that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. Keep in mind, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do so. Let us know in the comments what you think about this robotic pool cleaner. And until next time, we'll see you guys in the next review.